Yes, good morning. Tonight in his State of the City address, that is when Mayor Duggan is expected to announce where you can get the new one-shot dose of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Now, the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines have been the norm, administered here through TCF and the city's other vaccination sites. But meantime, outside of Detroit and other jurisdictions, I think it's important to make that distinction. Some people say they are struggling to get an appointment.
Hospital that my doctor's offices are affiliated with. And I go back to the Macomb County website often.
Catherine Woodman lost both of her parents to COVID-19 a week apart. Now, the Macomb County resident says she knows what it's like trying to get past the barrier of scheduling an appointment for her COVID-19 vaccine. She's in one of the initial eligible groups at 65 plus, as eligibility continues to expand. Our Brian Abel pressed Lieutenant Governor Garland Gilchrist on the matter.
Whether it be hanging out on the phone for 2 hours or hitting refresh on a computer. And there's a lot of folks that were in the previous eligibility group that still haven't been vaccinated yet. We're opening it up to more. So how do we reconcile that? How can we be offering it to the 50 plus when the 65 plus, not everybody that wants to is still vaccinated?
Well, we haven't declared anyone ineligible from getting a vaccine. So everyone can still sign up to get appointments who was previously eligible. We encourage people to do that.
Gilchrist suggested calling every place that offers the vaccine, from your local health department to Meyer, and that the state is working with the Biden-Harris administration to secure more doses.
We need to open up every avenue to a vaccine for everyone who wants one, and that's what we're working to do every day.
Here in Detroit, Mayor Mike Duggan says supply of the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines are keeping up with the demand. Now, he's preparing to announce a new vaccination site where Johnson & Johnson will be administered, after initially declining 6,200 doses last week, until they are absolutely needed.
And I am looking forward to receiving Johnson & Johnson vaccines in the next allocation. And apparently I did not say that clearly enough yesterday, but it was what I intended to say, and it's what we are doing.
Now, coming up at 5:30, 7 Action News reporter Jen Shantz will have more on the State of the City address and what else the mayor is expected to discuss. So stick around. Live in downtown Detroit this morning, Darren Cunningham, 7 Action News.